Hello and welcome to Sheba online classes, standard 9. Today I will be taking unit 6 poem, that is the comet. Okay. First I will tell you about a small introduction about the poet Norman Littleford. Okay. He was an American poet born in Maryland, USA. Most of his works focused on life and nature. Okay. So every poet has got his distinctive style of writing. Okay. Now what is Norman's style of writing is he focuses on life, that is he is a down to earth person, writes about life and about nature. His poems are simple but deep in thought, like it's very thought provoking. You have to think a little, oh really, is it like that, is life like this, like that kind of an awestruck you will be. Okay. So, deep in thought and provoke the readers to absorb the ideas beyond the usual. Got that? So, that kind of a poet he is. Okay, very interesting poet. Right. Let me see what he is written about. Now, usually what is written is he writes about nature and about life. Now, he is writing about the galaxy, that is about the universe. In the solar system, there is a thing about comet. So, what is he telling about it? What is it about? What is he explaining about the comet? Okay. Now, what is a comet? Have you seen a comet? Many of us, we say the shooting star. Okay. All of you know about it. No? What is a shooting star? Then suddenly you look up at the sky during the night time. A tail star. You will see one star, like one tail, like this, one tail star, shooting star. Okay. It will rise up like that, and suddenly it will fall down. Like as though it's falling on the earth, it will look at that. From there will be one small thing, one tail for the star. There will be one tail like that. Okay, tail star. So that is called the shooting star or the comet. These are all actually that is very far away in the where the stars, where the stars are. Stars are actually all solar and suns. Like they look like they twinkle, but actually it's full of made of gas, frozen. Okay, so many kilometers far away from us. Okay, so that these are all these comets. What happened? Stars, they collide with each other. That is this in the solar system, very far away from the planets. You can see them. What happened? They collide with each other. They dash against each other. They collide with each other and they break up into pieces. Okay, when they break up into pieces, that part only, that star it falls down. That only is called the comet. When it falls down, it brings like a star only, like a star falling down. It will look down. Look as it looks like that with a tail. What is the tail? The tail is fully frozen gas. That is okay. It's full of made of ice. It cuts through the environment and comes down. Okay. So what is it? Let's see. What is he saying? What is this poem about? So you can see pictures given there. What is a comet? Okay. Rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night, a spectacle of a lifetime, a comet in full flight. That is, now the poet is looking up at the sky, and suddenly he sees the shooting star or a dying star, tail star, everything is a comet only, referring to the comet. Okay, a comet in full flight. What is he saying? Rampaging. What's the meaning of rampaging through the heavens? Moving so fast, that is, he's not waiting for anything, just a tearing part, going in full speed. It's going, rampaging through the heavens. Heavens is the sky, that side. Never stopping day or night, like till the star, it keeps moving. When it collides, when it's going to fall down, it keeps moving so fast till it comes and falls down. Okay, till then it will keep on moving, full speed it will be moving. Never stopping day or night, a spectacle of a lifetime. For us, how it is, when you look at the sky, suddenly we see one star falling down. What do? Like it is a myth saying that if the star falls, if you see a shooting star, you immediately you make a wish, isn't it? You make a wish and say okay, or something, some wish you make. So all that is a myth, but nothing is true. Like just people keep making up tales, like that, telltale. Okay. Spectacle of a lifetime. Spectacle. What spectacle? A beautiful sight to see. Okay, a lovely sight to see. So sitting here, that is from the earth, when you see from to the heavens, when you see that star, it looks very beautiful. Suddenly, sometimes what happens is not one star, so many stars keep falling. Okay, like that it will be. So that is very rare to see. Okay, a spectacle of a lifetime means so beautiful to see. and a comet in full flight. That means you can see the shooting star falling down. Okay, next stanza. Faster than a cheetah with the tails that miles long. Okay, what is this? How now in the land animal, which is the fastest? It is the cheetah. Cheetah runs very fast. So how this planet is running, how it is moving in the there in the sky, it is fast like a cheetah, faster than a cheetah, comparative degree. See, it's faster than a cheetah with a tail that's miles long. For us it looks so small, no, like that, but it is nearby. How it looks, no, it will be such a long distance, 1 big mile, 1 mile long, such a long tail it will be having. Okay, so with a tail that's miles long, miles, so many kilometers long, bigger than a mountain. See how big it is, my God. See, looking here like this from the sky, it looks like one small thing falling down, that's all, isn't it? But how it is, it has a tail, which is, tail means that gas which is following. After it breaks, no, it collides with that is meteorites, asteroids, they collide with each other. But after they collide, what happens? This the sparks and a lot of gases and it emits out. Okay, when it emits out, that gas keep following down the thing, it falls down. Okay, so like only, like how we have this when you see, no, we burst crackers, no, how that tail, there's one like one tail going, no, now rocket goes up, it takes up that there'll be smoke and fire going down, no, going down like this, and the rocket will be going on like that only, same thing only. Okay, bigger than a mountain. How that tail is, how does this tail look? It is a mile long, and how does it? It's bigger than a mountain. Okay, so powerful and strong. How does the tail look? It's so powerful and strong. It's bigger than a mountain also. Okay, the outer ice is melting, causing vapor from the force, and leaves a trail behind it as it travels on its course. So what does this tail consist of? What is it? It's the outer ice. It's made of melting ice. Outer ice is melting, so it is going so in full speed. It is going, giving a trail, that is leaving a tail. And how does it? It has so many miles long, and it is bigger than a mountain. And what does it contain? Outer ice is melting. It is going, cutting through the atmosphere and going, causing vapor from the force. As it is going, it is forms out, vapor is forming out, coming out from the force, and leaves a trail behind. So this only is called the trail behind. As it goes, no, one like that keeps going, leaving a trail behind as it travels on its course, till it, from where it has broken up, from there it keeps traveling until it comes and falls down. All this trail keeps following them. And then if one should come too close to earth, the atmosphere will shake with shock waves reaching to the ground, causing the land to quake. That means what? If only this comet, this dying star, this falling star, this tail star, so many words I am giving you, so many names for that. If only it has to fall on earth, it breaks up there, and it travels so many that is so with such speed. With that speed, if it has to fall on the earth's surface, what is the effect? What he is saying is, the atmosphere will shake like one time bomb. It will be, okay, like one nuclear bomb. It will blast like that. The atmosphere will shake with shock waves reaching to the ground. Like there is now Hiroshima, Nagasaki. What happened earlier in the Second World War? There was a nuclear bomb was put on the, that is in there, no, that place Hiroshima. And what happened? The shock, radioactive shocks, shock waves went it is so wide, it went, such a big radius it had got, and lot of many this radiation had gone through so many kilometers. Okay, so where it had fallen, and that effect was felt so many kilometers all around the places there were totally destroyed. So like that it will be, they are saying, that's what, that kind of an effect, the shock wave reaching to the ground, causing the land to earthquake. That is, quake means there will be a massive earthquake like that. If only it has to fall, God's grace, it should not fall, you must think. Okay, if only it has to fall, what will happen? If it has to come too close to the earth, the atmosphere will shake. That is, the whole atmosphere, everything will change. The atmosphere will change. Then there will shock waves reaching to the ground, falls down, falls down. And then what happens? The reaching to the ground, shock waves will reach so many kilometers and causing a massive earthquake. That's what they are saying. Okay, so God forbid, nothing should happen like that. Scientists say the chemicals in the dust they leave behind could have started life on earth, which resulted in mankind. So what happened is, millions and millions of years before, that is when before we came into this earth, what happened is, this kind of meteorites used to keep falling, okay. Like this many times during the dinosaur term also, the dinosaur when they were freely walking all around the earth, no, before it was just one mass of earth, okay. That in that time what happened is, it was just Pangaea, Panthalassa. What is meaning of Pangaea and what's the meaning of Panthalassa? Sea and the ground. Just to an island. There was just to an island, okay, on full water around and one island. All the land was together only. And now it has been it has been divided, okay. And then now to this present map. Before it was just one whole mass of land and which surrounded by water. Like how an island you can see, no. How an island you can see now. See for example Australia. How does it look? One island and around there is water, isn't it? Ocean. Before Earth was like that only. One full mass of land and there was water all around. After this there was and that time only, those millions, 400, 600 millions before, years before, dinosaurs were just like they were only ruling the earth, okay. That time what happened is, this kind of meteorites and asteroids and this was acid rain had fallen and broken up the whole landmass, and after that was the Big Bang. After that was over only the present map what we are having. Like it was completely broken apart and all the dinosaurs died that time. That's what was said, okay. That's what is believed to have happened. So what they are saying is, scientists say after that had fallen down, all these meteorites, comets, when they had fallen down, they brought in what? Chemicals. One sort of chemicals had been fallen on earth. It had fallen, no, in the dust they leave behind could have started life on earth, okay. Those chemicals would have reacted with the earth's surface and that would have created life on earth. Like first how it started with sea animals. It is the blue whale is the oldest sea animals, and then insects, and then land animals started, okay. So like that could have started life on earth, which resulted in mankind, later only mankind. Got that now? So that was how human beings started. So because of these chemical filled comets falling on the earth, that would have started the existence of mankind. That's what is believed to have said, okay. I cannot say if it is true. That's what he is saying. Norman is saying, the poet is saying, I cannot say it's just I am assuming it should be true. So what is saying? I cannot say if it is true. I do not have the right. He is saying I don't have the right to say. I cannot confirm this is only because of this only, because of these comets and all these asteroids falling down only, mankind was born. I cannot say it. But I know no better spectacle than a comet in full flight. So whatever it may be, whatever may have happened, whatever it is, but whenever I look at a comet falling down, a shooting star falling down, what I do is that spectacle, that sight, that is the viewing that the comet falling down is really a great spectacle, amazing and a fantastic sight to see. Okay, really very nice to see. That's what he is saying. I like to see this comet falling down. That's all he is saying. Nothing else, not giving you any, stating any that is terms and facts or something. Just a casual poem. Okay. Hope you understood this. See this first 3 stanzas are for memory poem. First 3 stanzas only. Okay. First 3 stanzas for memory. Learn this up properly. And as how you written the thing, this exam, write the title, write the that is name of the poet, and that's how you must learn up all this. That is 7 units. Poet's name you should be in your fingertips. You should know it very well. Got it? Hope you understood this poem. Go through all the book back exercise. That is what is that? The poetic lines, figure of speech, everything. Appreciation of the poem. Okay, children. See you next class. Thank you.